Hey Queens, I went to Coach the other day and bought something that was not on my wish list and not on sale, but we're going to unbox it and I'm going to tell you how I justified it. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm Drea. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I am allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But let's get into it today, guys. So I've got two pieces. Well, I'm going to say 2.5, and you'll see what I mean by the half in a few minutes. But I wanted to go ahead and come on here and just show you what I got. So the first piece is in this box. Actually, I think two items are in here because I told them they didn't have to box them up separately. And then we've got something else in here. So we're going to start with this one first. And guys, this is something that I have never ever done. But they offer it every time I'm in the store. And this time I actually had the time to hang out for a little bit. So I let them do it. But it's wrapped up like this. Y'all know what this is? Dust bag. So I got two hang tags. So I've got a yellow one and a purple one. So I thought these were super cute. So the purple one has a red on it, and then I got a pink on the yellow one. But these were actually free to me because I had two customizations in my insider rewards that I had not used. So I went on ahead and did that. I think you get 2 per year as an insider, if I'm not mistaken. And so I went on ahead and just did both of them. And I got this one for all of my yellow bags. I thought this would look really cute with anything that I have in like the moonlight color. And I got this one actually for this bag right here. And then the associate, I think her name was Kelsey, I think that's what was on the receipt, was super nice. She gave me silver, gold, and gunmetal colored chains so that I could mix and match or do how I needed to do depending on what bags I decided to put them on. So I thought that was really nice. So really cute. I have never, as much as I've purchased from Coach, I've never had any hang tag stamped at all. So I thought that was super cute. So let's see if we can get into the second piece. So we're going to go ahead and open this. And like I said, they were supposed to put two pieces in this one box, and they did. So the second piece I got, y'all can probably tell what this is. It's just the, what is this called? I think it's the Essential card case. Let's see here. I forget what this is called, but this is a thing that really irritates me with Coach. How they do silver hardware on this piece, but all of the bags that they make in this color have gold hardware. That just really irks me. Not that I have to match everything. Like, I don't mind, mixing metals, but sometimes I do want to match, and Coach makes it really difficult sometimes when they do this. But I got this for this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and throw this in this bag, but just so y'all can see, it's got 2 slots on the front, 2 slots on the back, and then you have the middle. And this is all leather, so even the inside is leather. Really nice, really nice. I think this might be the first retail piece that I purchased, at least that wasn't on sale. I think I have like the wallet to match my varsity rogue, and that's a retail piece, but I got it on sale, and it was from really, it wasn't, I guess it was on sale. I got it from 24S. So I got it from another retailer and it was like half off. But this is the first piece, like SLG, that I've actually purchased myself from the boutique. Normally, when I'm getting SLGs, it's their outlet pieces. So I think this is my first retail piece that I actually purchased in store. Before we move on, I wanted to remind you guys that my free ebook is now available. It's called 5 Tips of Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. It's a quick, simple read designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. It is pinned in the comments. It's also in my description and it's in my bio. So go ahead and download it if you don't have it already. So I'm gonna just go ahead and throw this in the cash and crescent carry. And then last but least, the piece that I got that was not on my wish list and not on sale, and I justified getting it anyway. So it's also wrapped up super nice. In the dust bag. And here she is, guys. So this is the trail bag. So I've looked at this bag quite a few times and I just thought it was really cute. And I think that Outlet makes a version of this bag. But what made me go for this one instead is two things. So I was actually on the Outlet website looking at something that I came super close to getting. So I haven't been really talking about the Outlet drops lately over here, but they actually have they released a smaller Laurel shoulder bag, and they have it in this gorgeous like pistachio color, and it has an attached like I want to say seahorse or unicorn charm or something on it. I'll pop in a picture up here just so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But it's a really cute bag, and I think it's like 179 or 175 or something like that. So I was really thinking about getting it because I don't have a shoulder bag in that color, and it's a really cute size. But then when I started thinking about it, I was like, I could get a retail bag for a couple dollars more. This is like 190 something. This bag is under $200. So for me, I think it's well worth it. And I didn't really feel the need to wait on a sale for something like this at this price. So that's why I would justify it, or that's how I was able to justify going ahead and getting it. The other thing is, y'all know I'm on my originals kick right now, and this is part of the originals collection. So let's get into it. As y'all can see, it does have rings here for a detachable shoulder strap. This has two zippers, and the zippers go all the way around. Well, almost all the way around. It opens up like this. So you have a short and a long shoulder strap. Get the stuffing out of here. So this was actually factory wrap. I saw her pull it out from the back and it had all the wrapping on it. But when I asked her to box it up for me, she took some of it off. But this one was like not a display at all. So the inside is just one big hole. As you can see, you've got your linen or whatever this material is, fabric lining, really nice thick fabric lining. The back wall, you got your story patch. The front wall, there's a little card slot right there. And then it says genuine glove tin leather here on the bottom. So this one right here, the shorter strap, makes it perfect as a shoulder bag, like a short or mid shoulder bag. See the drop on this? Super cute. And then the other strap is strictly for crossbody wear. But this bag is also available in maple with silver hardware and black with gold hardware. I wish they would release it in more colors. This is super cute. This can be used as a bag. This can be used as like a cosmetic pouch or something if you wanted to just use this and sit it on top of your vanity. I think this can serve multiple purposes. Now, I would not use this one as a makeup bag just because of the lighter color, but if I were to get it in black, let's say, or maybe even maple, I would strongly consider purchasing it just to sit on top of my vanity and throw stuff in. So this is it, guys. Oh, and just like all the other originals, this one comes with two hang tags. And I'll probably, like I said, throw my purple hang tag on here because I think that'll just look so pretty up against this moonlight color. Notice the branding on here is really minimal. You just have Coach there stamped in gold on the front. No C's or anything. Just a really cute, simple bag. So this is all that I had today, guys. Comment down below and let me know if you have this in your collection. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later. Bye.